Hey YouTube, it's NowIAmNappy and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. So this week we're going to be talking about how to use onions for hair loss, and I will be giving you guys 2 ways on how to use onions to maximize your benefits. But first, why onions? Well, onions contain vitamins, antioxidants, sulfur, and many other nutrients that actually help to prevent and reverse hair loss. So specifically, onion juice helps to lower DHT on the scalp. And DHT, you guys, actually causes the follicles on the hair to shrink. It causes a lot of inflammation, which eventually leads to balding. So actually, in one study done, onion juice was rubbed on the scalp twice a day for both men and women, and over 87% of them saw hair regrowth, which is an amazing, amazing study and a great start to this research, you guys. All right, so you guys, the secret I recently learned is actually that the onion skin or the onion peel is a powerful, powerful antioxidant and flavonoid, which helps to reverse hair loss. You guys, the thing we've been throwing away, we need to take back, okay, and use this in our regimen. And in one study done in mice, the particular flavonoid found in onion peels or onion skins is called quercetin, and that was used to prevent and reverse hair loss. Amazing study, you guys. I'll link that, of course, again in my blog if you're interested. So today I'm going to give you guys 2 recipes. I'm going to give you one recipe that is an onion oil and then an onion hair rinse, both used to help prevent and fight hair loss, okay? Not only that, onion skins are great for giving your hair shine, softness, preventing dandruff, preventing premature graying, as if you've read or seen in my other videos, is very important for me right now, okay? And so, of course, in hair loss, which I've suffered from off and on, so I'm ready to get making this recipes for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to begin first with making the oil. You're going to use 1 whole red onion. And I'm choosing red onion because they have higher antioxidants than both the yellow and white onions. And the antioxidants that are present are the quercetin and anthocyanin. Don't forget to save the peels of all your onion and onion skins that we'll use later on to make the rinse. Next, I'm going to slowly heat up about 1/2 cup of coconut oil along with 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. You do not want these oils to burn or boil, so you're going to put the flame on very low. Now, once the oils are warming up, I go ahead and add 1/4 cup of fenugreek or methy seeds. You guys, fenugreek is great for preventing hair loss. I have a whole video on how I use this in my regimen. Next, I go in and add the onion and slowly let the mixture simmer together on very low heat, and I'm constantly stirring. After the next 15 to 20 minutes, the onions will slowly become clear and the methy seeds will go ahead and get a reddish tint to them. Continue stirring for another 5 to 10 minutes for a total of about 30 minutes. Let the mixture cool down and let it sit and stir for about an hour or 2. and then go ahead and strain into a glass jar for use. Once in the jar, I go ahead and add some essential oils that will help mask the scent. I went in with my lemon essential oil, my peppermint, and my rosemary. Finally, I added a little bit of pumpkin seed oil that also has wonderful DHT blocking effects to this mixture. Now for the rinse, I go ahead and get my onion peels that I saved for the week. I do have a bit of onion in there as well to help give some of the other additional benefits. And then I will also use green tea, which again has wonderful DHT blocking properties and is really, really great for reducing shedding and hair fall. I'm going to go ahead and add that to my jar and then fill it with 2 cups of boiling water and let this sit overnight. So this is my onion skin the next day. You can let it steep for longer. I did add a little bit of onions to this. It doesn't have that much of an oniony scent. And I went ahead and put them into these bottles for ease of use to rub onto my temples and my hair. I'm planning on doing this, I would say once a week, since I'm going to be washing my hair about once a week, and twice a week if I'm going to co-wash during midweek to kind of get this onion scent out of the hair. But I do like this onion peel one better because you really can't smell the onions as much in it. And I will add a few drops of peppermint or essential oils to this particular onion juice one. So that way I can, put this in my scalp and then leave it for like a day or two and not worry about it. Everybody smelling this. But this one is a lot more potent and you can definitely smell the onions in this, even though I've tried to mask the smell with essential oils. So I'm gonna go ahead and begin first actually with the juice and then follow it with the oil. And I'm gonna leave this on for at least an hour and I'm gonna tell you about some of the other amazing benefits. One of the main components in onions is sulfur, what gives it its pungent smell. Now, the sulfides found in onions contain necessary amino acids. Now, we know that amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, and proteins are also found in our hair, and is known as keratin. The sulfur in onion juice may provide the hair with the nourishment it needs to grow and help increase and extend the growing phase of our hair. Additionally, the sulfur from the onions helps to promote collagen production. As we learned in my previous video, which I'll attach above, collagen is important for the production of healthy skin cells and hair cells and promotes hair growth and prevents hair loss. Onions also contain antioxidants such as flavonoids, which are believed to protect the body from free radicals. Now, free radicals are thought to contribute to the aging process, which destroys hair follicles and can lead to thinning and hair loss. So onions help decrease the free radicals in your hair, which prevent graying hair and cell aging. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit on my hair for about an hour, and then I'm gonna shampoo and condition my hair as normal, and then go on using my own Ayurvedic growth oil regular throughout the week, and then use this either weekly or maybe twice a week if I'm gonna co-wash my hair midweek. And if you guys have any other questions about onions, please go check out my blog post. I will list a ton of other things that you can learn about how onions are used in hair care. So if you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. And don't forget to check out some of my other Ayurvedic videos. If you're not really into onions, I have a ton of other videos about hair loss and how to use Ayurvedic herbs to prevent and help reverse hair loss, such as amla. And I'll leave that in the description box and up top here for you guys. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.